Hello, good morning. I am here with the fastest of all fast tips ever. So, I was editing a couple of blog posts that we wrote based on some interviews I did with some speakers. Check them out, they're really awesome. But the drafts we had just put into one single document so you can see. Well, I was pulling this top article out and I pasted it into another document. You can see, why is this still all the way down here? So the answer, we know the answer is page breaks, right? But have you ever been in the situation where you cannot figure out why your text is not moving up the page in Word? It can be so frustrating. So this tip is just how to turn on all of that formatting so you can see it and adjust it. All you need to do is right up here, right in the middle of the Home tab, click this paragraph sign. Look at that, we have a page break. So now we can easily select and delete our page break. And you can see we've got all our paragraph breaks all throughout here. We see we've got a bunch of extra here. And then when you're done, when you have done your editing, all you have to do is go back up here and toggle this off. So happy editing, and I will talk to you soon.